9 incredible health benefits you did not know about zinc. Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel BCG Health. In our videos, we try our best to bring the most well-researched and updated information to you guys. Have you been waiting for a new video? Well, your wait is over now. We are here today with another amazing video for you to keep you updated about the recent health trends. While discussing health, we talk a lot about macronutrients, which are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These are very important, but at the same time, some essential micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals are also very important for maintaining good health and a stronger body. One of these elements is zinc, which is very important for the foundation of good health. What is zinc? If you also have this question popping in your mind, then you need to know that it's a unique element with amazing antioxidant properties, and zinc is required for the effective activity of more than 100 body enzymes. It also plays an important role in carrying out some critical functions of the human body. Some important areas where zinc plays a critical role include the formation of DNA, functioning of the immune system, cellular metabolism, synthesis of protein, good immune function, and many more. In addition to this, zinc also plays a great role in supporting a healthy pregnancy and promotes growth. Our body is unable to make zinc, so it needs to be obtained from foods or supplements. On average, an adult woman needs at least 8 milligrams of zinc, while a man needs 11 milligrams of zinc. If you're not aware of some important health benefits of this element, then this video is for you, because here we'll be telling you about 9 incredible health benefits of zinc. But before jumping into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Good for immune function. When it comes to immune function, then zinc is actively involved in both innate and adaptive immune response of the human body. So, in simpler words, you can say that zinc actually supports our first-line defense system, and in addition to this, it also supports the different responses of our body to certain pathogens, viruses, and bacteria. In fact, some studies suggest that zinc has the ability to decrease the risk of many infections. When zinc is used during a cold, then it is very effective in reducing the duration of symptoms, including a sore throat and nasal congestion. According to recent researches, minor deficiencies in zinc have been observed to be associated with different skin diseases, recurrent infections, chronic illnesses, and many autoimmune conditions. This element is also very crucial for the function and development of some important cells in an immune system, which includes neutrophils, macrophages, B cells, and T cells. Deficiency of zinc can weaken the immune defenses. This can lead to an increased susceptibility to different diseases. Number 2. Good for wound healing. Zinc deficiency has been associated with bone healing in some patients. It also plays an active role in regulating different phases of the wound healing process, which include membrane repair, oxidative stress, inflammation, coagulation, and reformation of tissues. Zinc is an important trace element for DNA synthesis, cell division, and many other processes related to cell formation and wound healing, so it accelerates the process of tissue regeneration and wound repair. If you're having an inflammation in your body, supplementing your diet with zinc can do wonders for you. Number 3. Maintains strong bones. An important role of zinc is that it is good for the health of our bones and teeth. Along with many other nutrients such as magnesium and vitamin D, this element has an amazing effect on preventing and reducing bone loss, so this is the reason that it can be used in different forms to prevent and treat different bone diseases such as osteoporosis. Bone formation and mineralization are the two most important aspects of bone health, and zinc was found to stimulate them. So this means you need zinc other than calcium and vitamin D to have stronger bones and teeth. Number 4. Good for skin. Zinc also plays a great role in maintaining clear skin. It helps you to deal with different problems such as acne. Some reports suggest that acne patients are usually zinc deficient, and the distress mineral is known to kill the acne-causing bacteria. Zinc has important anti-inflammatory effects and antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium, which help a lot in treating skin problems. Another important thing about zinc is that it also reduces the activation of keratinocytes, which are the cells that produce keratin, and an extra amount of keratin can lead to acne and blocked pores. It is also very important for healing scars and prevents acne outbreaks, and this is the reason why zinc is a primary component of many creams and skincare ointments. Number 5. Improves vision. The tissue of our eyes are continuously exposed to oxidative stress and many age-related diseases such as cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma. The study says that tissues of the eyes, especially the retina, are high in zinc concentration, and deficiency in this trace element can cause the development of chronic eye diseases. Zinc, along with many fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids, can support healthy eye function. Many common conditions such as poor night vision have also been associated with zinc deficiency. Number 6. Helps to deal with oxidative stress. The body is under continuous oxidative stress when it is unable to produce sufficient reactive oxidant species, which are normally produced during day-to-day functions or exercise. But this balance is disturbed with poor lifestyle choices. So in this case, zinc can help you out with its antioxidant effects and ultimately reduce the markers of oxidative stress and inflammation, which include C-reactive proteins and a few more. Number 7. Brain health. Zinc also plays an important role in maintaining brain health because it plays a strong role in protecting the brain cells, promoting the process of healing of the brain and nervous system, and also preparing the body to deal with stress. In fact, in the human body, the highest amount of zinc is found in the hippocampus region of our brain, and the presence of zinc was associated with improved learning skills. Number 8. Balances female hormones. Cramps, mood swings, and monthly PMS might be common, but they are not normal. If you're also facing this issue, then zinc supplementation or adding an adequate amount of zinc to your diet and lifestyle can help you to support a healthy hormone balance, and in this case, you'll face less discomfort. Number 9. Helps with diabetes. This trace element is well known for its important role in controlling blood sugars and the secretion of insulin. Insulin is responsible for the transportation of sugars from our bloodstream to the tissues. According to some research, zinc helps to keep the blood sugar stable and helps the body to increase insulin sensitivity. Some researchers also suggest that zinc supplements are effective for increasing both short-term and long-term blood sugar control in diabetic patients. The supplementation of zinc can have a good effect on glycemic control. This element has also been found to prevent protein amylin from making clumps in the body, which sometimes contribute to diabetes and other chronic conditions. Zinc is also sometimes required to produce insulin, which plays an important role in diabetes. In addition to this, zinc is necessary for the production of important pancreatic enzymes, which helps in digestion and are important for the proper breakdown and utilization of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates that we eat. You must be wondering, what are some good sources of zinc? Some common sources are oysters, lobsters, crabs, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, pumpkins, seeds, milk, whole grains, and cheese. In addition to this, zinc is also available in the form of supplements. You should consider zinc supplements if you see symptoms like infertility, hair loss, unexpected weight gain or weight loss, poor immunity, and poor wound healing. In these medical conditions, you need a different amount of zinc than other people, so make sure to consult your physician before starting any zinc supplement. This was all about today's video. Hope you like it. If you know any other benefits of zinc, then mention it in the comment section below. Don't forget to ring the notification bell for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.